What's going on, y'all? We getting back into the crypto markets. Let's get right into it, not wasting any time. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Let's go. What's going on, y'all? We're gonna go over the Bitcoin chart here. We got that downtrending triangle still continuing on. We did hit the a little over 19,000 support zone right there, the all-time high 2017, where we had a bounce off. Now I think we're gonna keep going sideways here, kind of follow this support zone. If we do break out below it, you're looking at a 12,000, 11,500 zone. Probably a free fall down to that zone before we catch any more support. Got a lot of heavy support down there around 12,000. But for me, I think it's hit the bottom around that 19. We got a strong bounce out of there, and looks like we'll be continuing sideways for a good amount of time until we see some upward movement, I believe. We'll go on over to the Ethereum chart real quick. Still have a downsending triangle going on with that also, and it's bounced down around about 1100. We had a bounce off of that triangle. You're going back, it's fell below the support. It's on the opposite side of the support right now, so you could see a free fall down. You got a little bit of support around 800, and then your major support starts coming in around 400, and below that you're down in the 200s before you hit any more support. So keep an eye on Ethereum here, since we're on the opposite side of that support zone of the all-time high from 2017-18 right there. We're kind of sticking around. Look like we bounce back. If we get over 1300, we should have a good pull back up. But we're within that triangle, so it's not too worrisome right there. Head on over and look at LTC, Litecoin. Got the downsending triangles there. We're right on that support zone. Around $47, $48 we've come up. We hit that support. Now we're at nearly $60. That triangle's starting to get to the end. Still got a good couple months. Probably 3 to 4 months before we could see a breakout, unless this thing just shoots up now. Which could be possible toward the end of July. We would see a breakout of the triangle. Your support zone down there around 45, between 45 and I'd say $42. You got pretty strong support. You got the down sending triangle right there on Litecoin. So move on over and check out Link. Same thing going on here, downsending triangle. You're finding some support right in here. Not a whole lot, but it's catching off some of this right in here. Back in July 20. I feel like it's got a ways to drop more or less down to probably around the $4 ranges. You got a lot more support than you do where we're at now. Check out XRP. Of course, they got that lawsuit still ongoing. But you're hitting, I like the way this chart is looking right here off the support zone of that 32 cents. Right around 30 to 32 cents. Got some very strong support. See, back in the past, we dipped below the zone, popped out, dipped back below, then popped out and went on a run. So we could be finding support right around that 32. Yeah, it's right about 32, 31 and a half cent zone. That's why I've added in this marker here to show the support where it's bounced off the bottom and the top. And we're down in that downsending triangle. So looks at XLM, who to me is also very involved with XRP. Of course, XRP had MoneyGram. And then now XLM has MoneyGram. I think that was all orchestrated. We can get into that. Got this big triangle here that broke out. finding your support down here around 11 cents, 11.5 cents, right around in there. Same kind of movement that XRP had. It came down, but when it bounced, it held the support line and broke out. Could be getting ready for another breakout here shortly in the next few months. If we break down below, you're looking at support around 7 cents would be your next area of support, and after that would be around 3 to 4 cents. We're looking at, I think we're going to continue following this line sideways. That's a very strong support on XLM that's held fairly well. Look at EOS. Now EOS is a little different. It's went below any support levels, so it's trying to find a new support level down here, and I would not be putting any money in EOS right now, so just kind of stay away from that. Definitely don't want to sell it though. You could add to your bags later down on in here, but I would not sell at any point right now because you don't know where this thing is going. Continues to follow this triangle. You're looking toward the end of September, maybe a breakout possible. You ain't got much further to go before you're back down, and you're sitting right about $1, so you ain't got too much farther down to go really on this. You could actually, if you work this triangle out that we got drawn, you're around 29 cents if you work all the way to the bottom, which I don't think will happen. See a little green bar there. Maybe that's going to be a support zone, but we ain't got nothing in the past to show that. Look at Dash. Now Dash is looking really well. We did bounce off that support of your past, and pretty good support around 43 cents there. You had a support back here, and we bounced right off of that. So volume came in a little bit, not too much, back up to $51. I did get a buy order in around 43, so I'm happy with that. Just wait and see how this plays out. I think we're going to start going a little sideways on Dash right now. Any further down, we ain't got much support below that. Definitely want to keep an eye on Dash coin though. So checking out the crypto markets, the top 10, you got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, USD coin, BNB, XRP, Binance USD, you got Cardano, Solana, and Dogecoin rounding out the top. Go over the top 24-hour gainers. Got GMT at a 31.34% gain. It's sitting at $1.08. You got Compound 53.44 with a 15% gain. You had the Sandbox at $1.26 with a 13.49% gain. You had Gala at 6 cents with a 10% gain almost. APE sitting at 4.83 with the 8.5% gain, a little over. Going over to Google, we're typing in cryptocurrency and hitting on news, and we got all these negative comments in here. This is exactly what happens when the market's fisting to have a good run up. You got hackers stealing 100 million from California. Cryptocurrency farm ad. You got all kinds of little negative things down through here. Not gonna go into them or click, but you see my when everybody was saying, oh, we need to buy back at the top of 60,000 Bitcoin, that's when you had, oh, everybody needs to buy. So when you're getting these kind of stories, that's when you're really supposed to be buying. You're not supposed to be buying at the top. They had you buying at the top with those great stories. They got you bad stories coming now. Alright, I usually don't talk about stock market or anything, but Coinbase is probably going to be a buy right now. You got all-time high was around $300, $357, I believe. And we fell all the way back down to $62. But you gotta think, when this money starts flowing into crypto, it's probably gonna be a $1,000 stock when the inflation, or the, not inflation, but the when the money starts coming in, when this is adopted, you gotta think Coinbase is gonna be one of the biggest names in the business, you know. So it is what it is, but to me, Coinbase is a buy at these low prices. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure y'all checking out all these other videos. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, thumbs up it. Let's go, y'all.